Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. So summer is here and it's time to make and enjoy some cool and refreshing recipes. So today we are going to make strawberry lassi. Lassi is a yogurt drink and it could be made sweet or savory. The sweet version can also be made with the addition of petals, but that's really very sweet. So with the fruits, it is nice and balanced flavors. So you can make it with any seasonal fruit available, and today we are going to make with strawberries. It's really nice and refreshing. So let's get started and make strawberry lassi. Here we have some fresh strawberries. We'll use them as needed, 4 to 5 per serving. Honey for sweetening, depending on the sourness of the strawberries, you add it. Some chilled water, dried rose petals for garnishing, rose essence or strawberry essence, you can take any one you like, and some yogurt. Take half cup of yogurt for one serving, put it into a mixer jar. 4 to 5 strawberries, wash them well and cut them into pieces. 1 teaspoon of honey I'm adding. For the time being, we can check the flavors later and add if required. And 1 or 2 drops of rose or strawberry essence. You could even use cardamom powder instead. Add chilled water as needed. Close the jar and blend them together. Lassi is ready. Lovely, perfect. Check the taste and adjust if required. At this stage you can add more honey if the strawberries are sour. Serve it chilled. Pour it into a serving glass. Garnish with some fresh or dried rose petals. And enjoy it chilled. Simple and easy recipe. Hope you liked it and are going to give it a try. Such fruit lassis are very refreshing in summers. In fact, you should make and enjoy lassis with various different fruits with some variations. Do check out my other lassi recipes also. The links are shared in the description box. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then. Take care. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye until then. Have a nice day.